Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. In today's video, we are making meatballs without adding breadcrumbs or eggs. Stay tuned while you do this with me. I'll be leaving the quantity of the ingredients in the description box. This is minced meat. What I have here is garlic powder, ginger powder. I also have curry powder. Then I have onions powder, and then I put any seasoning of your choice. Like I make use of knorr cubes, so I'm having knorr cubes here. So I've added everything together. I'm going to be putting a little bit of olive oil to it. Together. You have to mix it properly together. While you are mixing it, you are massaging it with your hand. A lot depends on your taste here. Some people don't like onions. You can actually do without it. The ingredients I mixed here depends on my taste, how I want it to be. Some don't really want a spicy mixed ball. So kindly mix the ingredients according to how you like it. We're going to be adding salt to this. And we have properly mixed it together. I will be rolling the meat mixture into ball sizes. I want to also inform you that you can actually do this without adding any eggs or any breadcrumbs. These are the meatballs. You can actually roll it smaller than this or as much bigger than this, but I like it in this size. So I'm getting the oven ready. You have to allow the oven to get hot a little bit. So I'm going to be putting it in the oven. I like to recommend this for those that their children doesn't like eating meat. This is the best method to get them eat meat. This is the outcome. It is now done. I find the oven method of meatballs healthier because it helps to extract oil from the meat. You can enjoy your spaghetti sauce with this, or you can also add it to your stew exactly like this. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.